Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. Today we are going to make some eggless peanut cookies. These will literally melt in your mouth. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Take 1 cup or 125 grams of flour. Add in 125 grams of powdered sugar. Then add 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Next goes in 125 grams of ground roasted peanuts. Then add half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Then mix everything well till thoroughly combined. Take around 100 grams of ghee. Add it little by little and knead it well to make a soft and smooth dough. If you have not subscribed to Cooking Craves, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more amazing recipes in the future. You can use butter too, if you don't have ghee. Stop adding the ghee when the dough gets soft and smooth. Now the dough is quite soft. Take 1 tablespoon of the dough. Soften it by rolling with your hands. Then gently give a light squeeze by your palms. Don't flatten it too much as it spreads a little while baking too. Smoothen the edges like this to avoid cracks. Place this on a greased tray. Do the same with the rest of the dough and bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. 1 tablespoon of the dough makes bigger cookies like these. If you prefer your cookies to be smaller, take only half a tablespoon of dough per cookie and keep the oven temperature for only 175 degrees Celsius. This will give you smaller cookies like these. Do try these melt-in-the-mouth peanut cookies and tell how they turned out in the comments below. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Do check out our other recipes.